If you're looking to land a job in cybersecurity, having strong hands-on projects on your resume can make all the difference. But where do you start? How can you show that you have the skills that employers want? Don't worry, I got you covered with the best cybersecurity projects that are going to make your resume shine. So one great project is building your own home network and securing it. So this shows your practical knowledge of real-world threats. Another is setting up a penetration testing lab using tools like Kali Linux to practice ethical hacking. You can also work on creating a firewall and demonstrating how it blocks malicious traffic. Another idea is to design a password manager using Python, showing your coding skills and knowledge of security best practices. Lastly, try conducting a risk analysis of the company's security system, which will showcase your ability to think critically and solve complex problems. These projects will not only build your skills, but make you stand out to employers. So to get started and show the world your cybersecurity expertise, try these out. And if you like this video, love it, like it, love you. Ciao.